Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. So today our video is about eating healthy. Losing weight isn't the only thing that makes you lighter. The mindset of being healthy and what you can gain. We as a whole vibe self-perception pressure regardless of your sexual orientation, size, age or some other class. I have experienced these issues since I was a youngster. When I began turning out to be truly mindful and self-condemning of my body, it got going as dismissing any food I saw as awful and wearing garments that hung my body, stowing away however much of myself as could reasonably be expected and formed into something substantially more genuine. Dietary issues and significantly more overwhelmed my high school years. It's an all around intimately acquainted story. Getting more fit is in no way, shape, or form to fix these sentiments, yet I would say it helps and has various positive thumb on impacts on your life. Why I feel good when I am treating my body right. In the event that you are similar to me, there is a ton of responsibility related with not eating soundly and not getting more fit, and keeping in mind that there is no explanation you should trash yourself for eating a decent supper out or having treat, or in any event eating lousy nourishment the entire day. We as a whole do it now and again. It feels great when you are for the most part being solid. I frequently feel more joyful and more roused when I have been doing great with my eating, and it really works on the nature of my life consistently. This might sound odd to some, yet for some individual, what you have eaten and what you will can eat can de-over your life. It can occupy such a lot of room in your mind and causes such an excess of stress that you are hopeless when you presumably ought to partake in the food and your environmental elements. While this is an issue that should be chipped away at, and we ought to excuse ourselves for not eating completely constantly, not having this pressure fills your heart with joy and your head a lot lighter. One more stunning advantage to shedding pounds and eating solid for me has really been thinking often less about my body. I don't mean with regards to what it looks like, I haven't been honored with that yet. What I mean is I'm less mindful of my body. On off the chance that you have at any point been shaky, you'll likely get this in any event. Standing and sitting openly can make you feel awkward, trust me. You stand, grasping your garments to cover yourself. You sit with your arms protecting your stomach and hips from individuals' eyes. It's torment. You can never be agreeable. At the point when you view your body adversely, you figure everybody else does, and you invest such a great deal of your energy attempting to conceal it. Presently, shedding pounds isn't a solution for instability, notwithstanding. In my experience, as you are eating and becoming better, you start to see your body in an unexpected way. Regardless of whether you drop weight, simply treating your body well can give you a certainly support. You truly can begin to rest easy thinking about yourself, and this has been extremely valuable for me. Eventually, these achievements mean quite a lot more over the long haul than 7 days of clean eating or being 5 pounds lighter. The manner in which you feel about yourself when you treat your body right can fundamentally improve and make you lighter in a bigger number of ways than one. It's hard here and there, so reward yourself with self-esteem when you are progressing nicely and when you are not. Focusing on yourself and your well-being does amazing things. Thank you.